guys, you see me with the screwdriver in my hand. Today we're doing a video on my Mytee 300H. I just received this Mytee not too long ago, probably less than a week ago. Got it to heat up the first time, and now I'm not getting no heat. I called Mytee. They told me to take this off, this top piece, which I'm going to do. Told me to take that off and to check to see if I am getting any leaking. Oh, sorry, not any leaking. To see if any of the wires are loose due to possibly shipping, throwing the machine, or just probably not handling it in their care. So that's what I'm gonna do now, guys. I'm gonna just take this piece off. There's a couple screws. I'll do that right now. I think it's 1, 2. I think it's 4 screws. Take the bottom piece off. I don't need this one to come off. I need this one to come off. So it's 3 screws actually. This to take off the bottom piece. Just 3. I'll be removing the top off in 1 second. So actually, you actually see me doing this in real time as I'm recording at the same time. Okay, just like that. Pop the top off. Oh, here we go. And one problem I found already. Cool. So I found a problem already. That fast. That fast. Found the problem. Wow. Okay. I'm actually gonna flip this camera and show you guys what I found. And that was, wow, that was quick. So what I found was, where's the wire? This wire here, which, let me adjust this, sorry. Looks to be like a control wire. For whatever reason, their hot glue must have came off. And that looks to be the problem right there. So I'm gonna try it and see if that's the problem or not, but right off the back, we got one problem right there. Right out the back. Just give you a quick look of the inside. I did found some loose wiring, which is this green wire here. That was loose. I'm not sure if that's a controlled wire or what exactly it is. Yellow is usually neutral or something like that. Black is usually ground. Green, I'm not really sure. That's not like a power wire. Red is power usually. Not really sure, but I found that loose. It looked like the hot glue came off. So right now I got my wire untangled, as you can see. I'm going to disconnect it up how it is, just to see if this is getting hot, to see if I can see anything going on internally while I have this disconnected. But yeah, this is what I'm dealing with right now. This is how the Mytee is set up, and this is a week old. Alright guys, so we're back. So I had to get on the phone with Mytee. They had to walk me through the steps, and the steps was pretty simple and easy. I will do a further video of getting into how I feel about Mytee so far. I'm kind of disappointed in Mytee, even though it could have been shipping and handling care. I think that should be a bigger issue that got to get checked out. I had the machine, I want to say a week, maybe a week and a half. They checked the serial number. This machine was designed in May of 2024. So it's a brand new machine. All the components are new. So it should have no reason to be breaking down or shutting down where I have to disassemble the equipment to reset. But we're going to get back into that, guys. Hope you guys like this little short video that I put together for you guys. If you guys are having any of the same issues, disassemble your issue, check all the wiring, and check your heater, and simply, it could be the reset button on your heater. All right, guys, I'll get back to you.